Good. So at about 28 weeks, the testicles would have arrived, and of course the ovaries would have arrived at the. Oh shucks. Okay, let's see how it goes. I was not using the headphone. I guess the voice will be okay. So they would have arrived at the pelvic region, the pelvic cavity, and it takes about 3 days for the testicles to traverse the inguinal canal, and then from the inguinal canal, in the next 4 weeks, it would have arrived its final destination, which is the scrotum. So it finally finds itself into the scrotum eventually. So this passage is amazing. It's an amazing passage. It's an amazing journey from 7 weeks to 12 weeks, from 12 weeks down to 28 weeks, and then from 28 weeks down to about the next 4 weeks will be about 32 weeks. So that's a full-term baby. So you would definitely have, if you palpate the scrotum at birth of every male child, you would find the testicles there. If the testicles are not there, then that is an example of an undescended testis, which is cryptorchidism. Is a condition called cryptorchidism, which is usually found in mostly premature babies. And that explains common sense. They are premature, so it's still taking time for the testicles to arrive to its final destination. So the inguinal region is a very important region when we talk about the male reproductive system, because without that passage, the testicles will be inside the peritoneal cavity, and it will definitely not make it to life, because there is a reason why the Creator decided to bring the testicles out of the abdominal cavity and bring it outside, where it gets a temperature that is 1 degree less than our body temperature. For it to survive, for spermatogenesis to take place, it must be at a temperature that is 1 degree less than the normal body temperature. So other than that, it will fry all those eggs. You know, when you fry egg, what happens? It becomes solid. So it will fry those sperm, and they will all die. So you will not be able to produce, if you understand that. Okay, good. So the inguinal region, as far as surgery is concerned, is important because of inguinal hernia. Something happens, something goes wrong, and a loop of the intestine decides to pass through, either directly through the Hasselbalch triangle, that is why it is called direct inguinal hernia, or it passes through that connection through which the testicle uses to get into the inguinal canal from since before birth. All right? So which is indirect. So it's coming from through the back door, and the other one is coming directly through the door. So we need to understand the anatomical differences between the inguinal hernia, direct inguinal hernia, and indirect inguinal hernia. So in the next video, we're going to look at this.